Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on appearing offline on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Instagram on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and tap Activity Status. Now tap the toggle to the right of Show Activity Status to turn it off. You will now appear offline. Note that when your activity status is off, you can't see if other people are online. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.